Mysterious background with glitch effects. A blurred figure slowly emerges from the shadows. Underscore imagine waking up one morning to find that the world around you is different. The people, the places, even your own memories, something is off. But what if you weren't the one who changed? What if reality itself had shifted around you? Underscore. Tonight, we unravel the chilling case of a man who walked into an airport claiming he was from a country that doesn't exist. A man whose very identity seemed to defy the laws of our reality. Was he a fraud? A lost traveler? Or proof that parallel universes are real? A black and white image of an airport from the 1950s fades in, followed by a reenactment of a man handing his passport to customs officers. Underscore. It's the summer of 1954, Tokyo, Japan. Narita Airport is buzzing with travelers from all over the world. Among them, a well-dressed man approaches immigration, handing over his passport with the confidence of someone who's done this 1,000 times before. Zoom in on passport. A glitch effect reveals the words, "Towered, country unknown." Underscore. But when the customs officer examines it, he freezes. The passport looks real. The stamps are legitimate. But there's one massive problem. Underscore. There is no such country as Towered. A close-up of the passport, with the officer flipping through the pages. Confused, maps of the world appear, highlighting Towered, but it's just empty space. Underscore. Now, you might think, maybe it's a misprint? A mistake? That's exactly what airport security thought, so they pulled the man aside for questioning. What happened next, however, is where things get bizarre. Underscore. The traveler, let's call him Mr. X, was utterly confused. He claimed to have been to Japan many times before. His passport even had Japanese entry stamps from previous visits. Underscore. A rapid montage of officials flipping through documents, cross-checking databases, and growing more and more bewildered. But when they asked him to point to his homeland on a map, Mr. X pointing to an area between Spain and France. But instead of Towered, the map reads Andorra. Underscore. Mr. X was outraged. What kind of joke is this? He asked. Towered has existed for over 1,000 years. 1,000 years in whose reality? A quick, humorous cut to someone furiously Googling Towered on their phone, only to get zero results. At this point, you have to wonder, did Google exist in his universe, or maybe he was using Towered's version of Bing? Japanese officials making phone calls, looking through international records, shaking their heads in disbelief. Underscore. By now, the authorities were on high alert. They checked every database. No country named Towered had ever existed. No records of this man, his passport, or even his company, which he insisted had offices in Tokyo, were found. Everything about him was an impossibility. Underscore. So, they did the only logical thing. They detained him in a guarded hotel room while they investigated further. A shadowy figure sitting in a dimly lit hotel room, staring out the window. Security footage reenactment of a guard walking down a hallway toward the mysterious man's room. Underscore. Here's where things go from strange to terrifying. Underscore. The next morning, security entered the room to continue their questioning. But the man was gone. Underscore. No signs of forced entry. No way out. The room was several stories up, and the windows were sealed shut. It was as if he had vanished. A conspiracy board filled with maps, documents, and photos connected by red strings. Underscore. So what happened? Was this an elaborate hoax? A case of amnesia? Or something far more chilling? Underscore. Some believed Mr. X was a spy. His bizarre story? A cover for something more sinister. But if that's true, why would the authorities erase him instead of exposing him? Underscore. Others argue that he was a time traveler from an alternate timeline, one where history unfolded differently. Maybe Towered existed in his version of Earth but not ours. Underscore. And then, the most mind-bending theory of all, what if he really did come from a parallel universe? A universe where Towered was real, where history took a different path, and where somehow he slipped into our reality by mistake. If that's the case, did he return to his world? Or is he still out there, trapped in a reality that isn't his own? Underscore. A slow zoom into a crowd, highlighting one unidentifiable figure before glitching out. Could it happen again? Mysterious, eerie city shots at night, footsteps echoing, a shadow disappears around a corner. Underscore. But here's the real question. Was Mr. X an anomaly? Or is this happening more often than we realize? Could people be slipping between worlds right now? Could Yao wake up tomorrow in a reality that's just slightly wrong? A soft echoing whisper, "Welcome to Towered." A glitch effect revealing. Subscribe for more mysteries in bold. Eerie text. Underscore. What do you think? Hoax? Time slip? Or proof of the multiverse? Let me know in the comments. And if you love diving into the unknown, don't forget to subscribe. You never know when reality might shift.